also very nice today. On the 25th of April 2025 we have Ydrevägen 9 here. It's also in Tranås, Ydrevägen to Sweden. So that's these 4 diagrams built by DEVE-Schindler, not DEVE-Schindler.
Yeah.
In the unit 90s, and the building dates back to 1964, the elevators were about to have. In the unit 90s we don't know the exact year.
Yeah.
And there are 6 floors here. Okay, EM1 are half floors.
Yeah.
The number is 01, 01, 882. Let's try the right here. Although it's too slow.
Yeah.
Oh, det sounds smell here.
Same here. Inspireert by gewijzigd met het bij Noordisch kies.
That's it. Thank you very much for watching. The big staircase is in here. We'll check the others.
That's